Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco, and Porvorim.
Body of one Vishal Golatkar has been found here at Merces. As you can see, one two-wheeler, one bullet bike is lying there. Prima facie, it seems that it is case of accident, but according to Old Goa police, it is a case of murder. Prima facie, it seems that he has been murdered, and the accused have tried to project this case as a case of accident. But there is deep cut on victim's hand and there is head injury, and it seems that it is homicidal in nature. Though body of Vishal Golatkar has been sent to GMC for postmortem, but police feels that it may be a case of murder because he has been a person with criminal background. There is certain cases against him in various police stations. Old Goa police is further investigating the case. Mukesh Kumar with Chetan Gawas for Prudent.